took me a while to realize that when I overstyle an outfit, it's usually because I'm styling for somebody else, or rather to impress somebody else. So how can doing less change everything? So one of my first jobs as a stylist was with a high-end boutique located in Los Angeles. They had a few different locations. And I was starting at their only Orange County location in Laguna Beach. So they sent down their lead stylist to train a few of us. And I can still remember her outfit to this day. A pair of oversized boyfriend jeans, sitting relaxed on her hips, with a zhuzhy, sort of yummy, effortless roll or cuff at the bottom, paired with an oversized graphic t-shirt that was sort of drapey and slouchy and hit her right at the hip, finished off with a pair of gladiator heels. It was so simple. Had me begging the question, why does it look so effortless? Speaking of effortless, I am going to make my daily harvest smoothie, today's sponsor. I've been making smoothies every day for the last decade, so that's nothing new for me. But making a smoothie can be a lot sometimes. So using Daily Harvest definitely gives me one less thing to think about. I stress out about the quality of my fruits and vegetables quite a bit. But Daily Harvest uses ingredients where everything's grown, nothing is engineered, and I can actually pronounce the ingredients. Just real food that's frozen for a reason. Reliable nutrition I don't have to overthink. That actually tastes delicious. And that's what mama needs to be super steady and ready for the day. So I don't lose my shirt, when I'm styling an outfit. Check out the link down below for yourself so that you don't lose your shirt. Oh, and get 15% off your first box of $100 or more using my discount code. Okay, so what was I saying? So in that training session, she taught us all sorts of styling tweaks. A big portion of the time was primarily focused on cuffs, rolls, and tucks, so that we could help our clients sort of visualize themselves in these clothes in an everyday sort of way versus just trying something on. We even went over layering, not just any normal sort of layering, sort of how can layering, again, be used to transform something, to bring in depth, to bring in interest. So when it came time to sort of show what we could do, what we had learned, I pulled out all the tips and tricks. I went all in. So when I was finished with my look, I was so proud of myself. I was so sure of myself. I thought she is definitely going to use me as the example here. Definitely. When it came to my turn, she stepped back, looked at my outfit, and said, "Too much." too much. She then went on to explain that these styling tools were just options, not requirements. That sometimes all an outfit needs is one styling tweaks, maybe two. And I think this was the first time I realized the power of less. And it changed the way that I style forever. That was almost 18 years ago, and I have been through a lot of different jobs and different personal styles since then. But even still, it's that first styling training session has propelled me forward into my styling professionally as well as personally. Even now, 2 decades later, I sometimes find myself reverting back to that overeager stylist, styling as much as she can. So, what do I tell her when she shows up? So why does styling less change everything? Well, I think it's because it allows for the person to shine through. It gives the clothes space. Rather than distracting, they accent. It becomes the mouse that roars. Life is always better in a good outfit.